If you've ever peeled chickpeas by hand, you'll enjoy this hack. Put your chickpeas in water and start to crush them. As you're crushing them, you're going to notice that all of the skins are going to start coming off of the chickpeas. Repeat this step multiple times until everything's well crushed. The skins will float to the top, making them easier to strain out. When you're straining, don't stress if you lose some of the chickpeas or if some of your skins end up in your chickpeas. The goal is just to remove as much of the chickpea skin as possible. Add 500 grams of chickpeas to the blender and start blending. Add a half a cup of tahini. Add 1/3 cup of chickpea liquid. Stop to check the consistency. At this point, it should be quite thin. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil, a half a cup of lemon juice, add 4 teaspoons of cumin, and salt to taste. Stop your food processor again and check the consistency. This is a good opportunity to scrape down the sides of your food processor. If the consistency still isn't right, you're going to want to start your food processor again and add additional tahini. Stop and check the consistency again before you add the remaining. This way it doesn't get too thick, and it gives you the opportunity to add more if needed. Repeat this step until you get the perfect consistency.